All right, so that brings us to the Sandbox Challenge. I'll spend a little bit of time talking about the Sandbox Challenge, then I'm going to go right in and explain the Assignment 8 Challenge, and then I'll give you some time to work on those things. So the Sandbox Challenge, and I'm going to be very brief on this one, is a text analysis challenge, and it's very open-ended. But what I'm going to give you is a piece of text written by Abraham Lincoln, which is his second inaugural address, the full text of which is right here on the Lincoln Memorial wall. Very, very cool piece of writing. If you haven't read it, I recommend it. If you happen to go to the Lincoln Memorial, it's very cool. And the other piece of text is a song by Taylor Swift. Now, what we're going to do is, now looking at these two great individuals, we may make some assumptions about relative levels of intelligence or speaking ability or something like that, depending on your level of Taylor Swift fandom, I suppose. But I'm going to give you a Python file. And let me pull that up here. I'll just download it really quick here. You can get it from Canvas. And it looks like this. And inside that file, you've got the Lincoln text. And these are very long strings because the Taylor Swift song is more of a poem format. The lines are shorter, but it's a single long string. And what I want you to do is do some analysis on those strings. So I've provided you with some things to work on in this text file. Here's a thing that cleans out all of the punctuation. Here's a function that will tell you how many unique words are in that text. Here is a blank function with some instructions on there to determine how many long words somebody uses. So what it does is it walks you through some of the basics of analyzing text and prompts you to do some more research on your own. So if you were going to say, who's the more intelligent writer, or what can we tell about the intelligence of these writings? Like average word length. Like if somebody uses a whole bunch of really long words, maybe that's an indicator that they're smart or that the writing is more advanced. How many unique words they use, like word variety, is important. What kind of punctuation? What words are common to both? That might be interesting. Does Taylor Swift use any important words that are common to Lincoln? And what other analysis can you think of? So this is really just sort of playing around with the text, using some of these tools that we've covered, and trying to figure out what sense can we make of it.